What's happening, Magnusites? Remember to come out and see me November 11th in Times Square, New York City for the Urban Action Showcase and Expo. More information and tickets down below. And don't forget to use the promo code Magnusite. Woo! We have an official TV spot for Jigsaw. Let's check this out. One thing about me is I don't like gore. These are like the only movies like that I actually enjoy being scared and disgusted by. I don't know why. It's just they just are. Let's play a little game.
Years ago, the game was played.
Failure to make the right choice could result in death.
Oh, God.
What? You came back from the dead? That's impossible.
It's Jigsaw.
God.
Jigsaw, rated R, in theaters October 27th.
I'll be there. Which lucky young lady wants to come with me and jump and grab on me when you get scared? I'm probably gonna be jumping on her. Ah! Ah! Shit. They always, I don't know, it's like a car accident. You can't, you drive by and you can't not look to see, even though it could be someone laying there totally destroyed, you still can't like not look. When you're driving by, that's how it is. You drive by the movie theater and you have to go in and watch the movie. That's how it is with these Saw movies. Well, I'll be there. Post comments down below. Let me know what you all thought. If you enjoyed my reaction, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 10 million subscribers. Woo!